1MBI200L 120 by uscomponent.com. The 1MBI200L 120 is a Fuji Electric IGBT module designed for high-efficiency power switching applications. With a collector-emitter voltage rating of 1200 V and a current rating of 200 A, it is ideal for use in inverters, motor drives, and power supplies. This module offers low power loss and high-speed switching, enhancing overall system performance and energy efficiency. Its robust construction ensures reliable operation in demanding industrial environments. Additionally, the 1MBI200L 120 features an integrated thermistor for temperature monitoring, facilitating better thermal management and protection. This IGBT module is a reliable choice for high-power applications requiring durability and efficiency. Ready to buy 1MBI200L 120? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.